Hello, we are here to explain about the possible sites, the ImahNoong Observatory and Planetarium sites for the Global Satellite Monitoring Initiative's instrument. So here we have a short stop at our biogas reactor. So we are developing a system to record. Look, it's from kitchen waste, and we are developing a system to record the flow and the pressure of the biogas, so we can monitor which is the best and how's the usage pattern of the system of our gas. Okay, and that's my friend Fahri, colleague here in ImahNoong, helping all the operational and the technological operation. Okay, now we are going to look at the garden where we usually have chairs and some tents if there's an event before COVID. And here we have a small remote telescope that we are still building the dome, and we have a camera to look at what the telescope doing if we are operating it from outside or from anywhere using the internet. And this is the first possible site of the instrument, so I will be going up. So here we have a slight obstruction from the mountain. This is looking west, and that's looking south. That's the city of Bandung, and that's looking east, and that's looking to the north. So we have quite in a valley, so we have a mountain obstruction. So we can put it here or up there on top of the house. So this is the whole site, is part of the observatory and the planetarium. We're in the middle of a village here in Lembang. So yeah, we have several options to choose for the possible sites for the instrument. So now we are going to look at the observatory. We have two sliding roof system for a telescope, and we're also planning to do it for monitoring system, and Fahri will help me to show you the telescope. But first, this is the planetarium. So we have a mixed usage of this planetarium as a prayer house, so we call it mushola. So Muslim can have a prayer here, and we have a full dome screen and with the projector. So before COVID, usually schools and kids ranging from pre-elementary school and then until university, even professional people come here to experience the movie, take pictures using the telescopes, and do research. So adding the satellite monitoring instrument would be a good educational instrument for us. And then Fahri gonna help me to show one of the telescope house, the small one. Yep. So this is using a Newtonian telescope and an alt azimuth mount, also with a dedicated computer and with a motor, so for remote usage in the future. And yeah, so this is we are planning this to allow people to observe from anywhere using their computer. So this is a virtual astrophotography and telescope usage. And now for the big one, which is also under development, the roof, both of the roof can be opened remotely. So Fahri gonna show the mechanism of the roof opener. So here we have a slightly bigger telescope, which is with an equatorial mount, and both are reflectors. So yeah, so we have another instrument here. This is the telescope, and that's the monitoring system, the mechanism for the roof, the box, the motor. And yeah, that's our second telescope in use. And we have a more portable telescope inside the small hole here. And I think that's it. I hope that's quite enough to explain the ImahNoong Observatory and Planetarium, for the requirements, or maybe for the plan of putting an instrument here, especially for the purpose of before the interview of the Global Satellite Tracking Initiative, Monitoring Initiative. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much. See you on the interview, and hopefully this is very useful. Thank you.